Welcome. In this video I will show you how to transfer data from your old Apple Watch on Apple Watch Ultra 3. In order to do this, first you have to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. To do that, first make sure that your iPhone has an internet connection and enter the passcode, unlock your phone, bring your Apple Watch closer to your phone, make sure that you see this animation on your screen, and then you'll see this notification on your phone. To pair your device with your iPhone, click continue, and if you don't see this notification, don't worry, you can go to the app library, then open the watch, find the watch application and open it, and then select start pairing on this page. Next, select setup for myself if you're setting this watch for yourself, or for a family member if you're setting it up for a family member. Okay, next, scan the watch's display with your iPhone's camera, hold it for a while to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone, and then in order to restore data from the backup, you have to select the first option and then select the backup from which you want to restore the settings. So for example, let's go with this one, then click continue, then wait until the Apple Watch is set up. It's gonna take a moment. Read and accept terms and conditions by clicking agree. Then you can create a passcode if you want to. If you want to add a passcode, you have to click right here, then provide a new passcode on your watch's screen, then provide it once again to confirm, and then the passcode will be added. I'm not gonna add a passcode, so I'm gonna go with the last option and confirm by clicking don't add passcode. Then you can adjust the text boldness. You can enable it by switching the toggle to the right, and you can also adjust the text size by moving the slider to the right to increase the text size, or to the left to decrease it. You can check the text size in real time on your Apple Watch and click continue to confirm, click OK, then provide data about yourself here and click continue. If you're a person moving by a wheelchair, then switch this toggle to the right. Then you can enable notifications for the noise app by switching this toggle to the right and click continue. Get to know your safety features and click continue once again. Then you can decide which way you want to wake up your Apple Watch, either by wrist flick or double tap if you switch to this option. Click continue, then decide whether you want the depth app to open up automatically when you're submerged, or not to open it automatically by switching this second option. Then click continue, and then wait until your Apple Watch is synced with your iPhone. Then click OK on your iPhone, and then wait for a moment more. It's gonna take a couple of minutes or so. And at this point, your Apple Watch is fully set up and backed up from the previous version. Now we just have to wait until we can use until the syncing is complete on the Apple Watch, so we can start using it. But at this point, basically this process is finished, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.